My name is Shazad Razak. I'm a principal pharmacist at University Hospitals Birmingham. Our project started way back in 2013, 2014 to try and reduce the amount of carbapenem usage that we had in the trust. Dr. Pillay was the lead microbiologist, and he instigated a number of changes that led us to try and attempt to reduce our usage of carbapenem. We, as a large organisation, have various specialities that use a lot of carbapenem, such as a oncology unit and a cystic fibrosis unit. So naturally we had a high usage of carbapenems, but through a lot of effort and engagement with teams on those areas, as well as doing ward visits to acute medical emergency department and other ward and departments, we were able to start the process in terms of reducing our meropenem usage. This then carried on to develop into a project that we took forward and reported regularly through a dashboard that showed our carbapenem usage to all the different areas in the trust. So our key achievements had been that we developed the dashboard that showed ward managers, consultants, as well as pharmacists who were covering those areas, how each area was performing with regards to carbapenem usage. Specifically with meropenem, we started off in 2013 with a DDDs per 1,000 admissions of over 500. In the space of a couple of years, and now last year, we were down to just over 210 DDDs per 1,000 admissions. And that was a consequence of a number of initiatives across the trust that we had implemented that included AMU ward rounds to review carbapenem prescriptions, having a dashboard that showed the usage, having a kind of band 7 pharmacists as well as microbiologists and infectious disease physicians do regular ward rounds on all 3 sites to educate nursing staff and doctors about the importance of reviewing this drug, which is, or drugs which are increasingly showing, patients showing resistance to. So we need to be more careful with using these drugs. So that kind of education awareness went out across all 3 sites, and that over time has been embedded and led to a reduction in our carbapenem usage. So future plans now are to continue the work that we've done in reducing carbapenem usage. We need to review our guidelines where we have got carbapenems. It's been there's some guidelines that we can look at now in terms of both across all 4 sites now in terms of how we can reduce our carbapenem consumption. Also working with cystic fibrosis physicians to try and work on alternative antibiotics and try and develop some guidance and information to allow them to choose antibiotics other than carbapenems for some of their difficult to treat infections as well. So those are our future plans.